Alright, so we've reassembled our inner mechanism. When you get your kit, it's going to come with a part that goes in the bag and a part that goes on top. These are going to sandwich together right in this hole. It fits perfect as long as you've cut that template out correctly. Fits great. We've got 4 screws that adhere that together. Now normally they expect those 4 screws to be the only thing that's giving us any rigidity or holding it. We go a few steps further. I'm going to take some 100% silicone. I'm going to put a small bead all the way around the inside part and on the outside of the grill, and then we're going to sandwich those together. Once that's dried, it's going to be a lot stronger. It's going to be watertight on those edges, and now if we seal our speaker to the underside, we don't have to worry about water getting into our bag. I'm going to start by applying this silicone. Now, you don't need a lot, just a small amount. Thing on the underside panel. Now there's a little gasket here. I just follow that as a line of reference. So next step, I'm going to stick our grill where it goes right here on top. I'm going to flip it over. Just on the underside. Take a Phillips screwdriver and install each one of the 4 Phillips screws. I always try to start all of them some before I tighten any of them all the way, just in case we need a little wiggle room. Alright, now that I've got them all started, I'm going to tighten them all down. Now if you see any excess silicone, you can just wipe it up with a paper towel Silicone's not going to hurt the paint. Alright, I think we have a good looking lid. We didn't have to buy a new CVO lid. It does hold a 6x9, and if you've got one of these crazy custom paints that Harley doesn't make, this is a really great way of adding that speaker without having to go through all that added expense. Once it dries, it's going to be very strong. We're going to continue forward. Our next step is we've got some 10-inch subs we're putting in these side bags. So we're going to put our templates in those, mount them, router them out. It's going to be a lot of fun. And then we'll get them on Tony's bike and hopefully get ready for you to stop by Bootlegger Harley Davidson and let Tony let you listen to it.